Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a neutral, classy, soft glam makeup tutorial for you guys for Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I thought why not start creating some looks for you guys to try out. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start I already went ahead and I got my base done, and I also got my lids ready. So the products that I use today are the Wet n Wild foundation. This is the Photo Focus foundation in Golden Beige. I absolutely love this drugstore foundation. It's a beautiful matte foundation, so I just went ahead and I applied that. And for my lids, I just went ahead in with some concealer and I just blended that out. So the concealer that I went in with is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. You don't have to use this concealer exactly. You can use any concealer of your choice. And once I blended that out, I just set the concealer in place with some setting powder, and I went in with the Mercier translucent setting powder. So to start, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to go ahead in with the shade Sauced. And taking this color on a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend this out onto my crease. I'm also just blending this color on the outer corner just a little bit to create a nice outer V. So next I'm going in with the Violet Voss All of You Forever eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Endless Desire, and I'm grabbing this color on a Morphe M441 blending brush, and I'm going to just blend this color out onto the outer corners of my eyes. Going back into the Naked Heat palette, I'm grabbing the shade Chaser, and I'm just grabbing this color on a Morphe M124 small flat brush, and I'm just going to apply this color onto the inner corners of my eyes, like the inner half of the lid. Going back in with the big fluffy brush that I used to apply the outer corner shade, I'm just going to blend out that area where these two colors meet. Make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm going back in with Sauced, which was the crease shade, and I'm just going to dust that color on the center of the lid as well, just in between where these two shades meet. And I'm just smoking this color on the outer corners as well, creating a nice outer V, just making sure everything is nice and blended, there's no harsh lines. Alright, so I want to take a break from the eyes, work on the face a little bit, and then I'll go back in and I'll wrap up the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead in and conceal my face using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. You can see I'm just taking my concealer and cleaning up the edge of the eyeshadow, just like that. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder. So while everything is baking and setting in place, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm going to do a nice thin winged liner, and to do so I'm going in with my Maybelline Hyper Easy brush tip liner. So that's pretty much it for the wing that I wanted to achieve. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. Alright guys, eyeliner is complete and I'm just going to go ahead and wipe away the translucent setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. Alright guys, so I quickly went ahead and I did my brows off camera. For brows, I went ahead with the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 04. So now I'm going to go ahead and wrap up my eyes. I want to wrap up the lower lash line. I'm going back in with the shade Sauced. And I'm just grabbing this color on my Morphe E35 brush. And I'm going to smoke this color onto my entire lower lash line. So that's pretty much it for eyes. The last thing I have to do is wrap up the lashes. So I'm going to quickly pop on some lashes and some mascara. So for lashes, I'm going in with the Kiss #1. These are my favorite drugstore lashes, you guys. You can get them at Walmart, Amazon. You can honestly find them anywhere. So I'm going to pop a pair of these on. And for mascara, I found this Tarte mascara in my collection and it's brand new. Look, I've never used it. This is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I got like a little sample. So I'm going to use this for mascara today. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for eyes. I do want to mention that I really like this Tarte mascara. I just love how my lower lash line turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I think they look amazing. My lashes look really good. So again, this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. It's really, really nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and to contour I'm grabbing my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Just gonna take some setting powder down the center of my nose. I'm also gonna take just a little bit down the sides as well. And just taking my brush, I'm gonna wipe this all away. So for blush, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Nudist Society blush. I'm also just going to take the tiniest bit of blush and put a little bit on my nose, just the tip, a very, very tiny bit, just to add a little bit more color to the face. For highlight, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby highlight. So that's pretty much it for highlight. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap up my lips. For lip liner, I'm grabbing the Colourpop Lippie pencil in BFF3. And for lipstick, I'm going in with this new Gucci lipstick that I got in the shade Penny Beige. Wow, this lipstick is so soft and creamy, and I love the scent that it has. Oh my god, it smells so good. Got a really nice soft fragrance to it, you guys, and I just love how this color looks. Wow, a lot of you actually messaged me on Instagram asking me for a review on this. It's a 10 out of 10, guys. It's Gucci, it's amazing. So yeah, all right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and of course all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And if you guys liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!